What if improving your English today were as simple as listening to two friends talk about real life?
No difficult grammar test, no stressful lesson, just a natural conversation you can actually enjoy.
Exactly, because today, that is what we're doing.
We're talking about everyday things: the weather, breakfast, daily routines, movies, pets, family, and dream travel plans.
Welcome back to Daily English Loop. I'm Alex, and this is the place where learning English feels easy, relaxed, and part of your everyday life.
And I'm Lisa. So if you want to sit back, listen, and pick up real English naturally, this episode is for you.
All right, Lisa, let's jump right in. The weather has really changed lately. It feels much cooler this morning.
Oh, yes, definitely. I noticed it as soon as I stepped outside. The air felt crisp, and there was that real autumn feeling in the air.
Crisp is such a nice word for weather.
It really is. Not freezing, not warm, just cool and fresh.
So, do you like autumn?
I do. Honestly, it might be my favorite season. I love the cooler air, the colorful leaves, and the fact that I can finally wear sweaters again.
Ah, yes, sweater weather.
Exactly.
I like autumn too. It feels calm. Summer can be fun, of course, but sometimes it just feels too hot and a little too loud.
That is such a good way to describe it. Autumn feels quieter somehow.
Yes, and I think cool weather makes simple things feel better. A warm drink tastes better, a walk feels nicer, even staying at home feels cozier.
Oh, absolutely. Speaking of warm drinks, I had peppermint tea this morning.
Of course you did.
What does that mean?
It means you are exactly the kind of person who drinks peppermint tea on a cool autumn morning.
I will take that as a compliment.
It is one.
Good. Yes, I had a big mug of hot peppermint tea, and honestly, it was perfect. It smelled fresh, it warmed my hands, and it helped me wake up slowly.
That sounds lovely. I had coffee, obviously.
Black coffee?
Of course. Strong, hot, and very necessary.
You really do treat coffee like a life partner.
Honestly, some mornings it is.
Fair enough. Did you have breakfast with your coffee?
I did. I made avocado toast.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, very simple. Just toasted bread, avocado, a little salt, and some chili flakes.
That sounds really good. The chili flakes probably made it more interesting.
They did, just enough heat to wake me up a little.
I went in a softer direction. I made oatmeal with blueberries and honey.
That sounds very you.
What does that mean?
Calm, healthy, warm, organized.
I'm choosing to hear that positively.
You should.
Good. Yes, it was a very comforting breakfast. And I like oatmeal because it feels simple, but it keeps me full for a long time.
That is true. Breakfast really changes the mood of the morning.
It does. Actually, I think food is one of the easiest topics for English learners to talk about.
I agree. Everyone eats. Everyone has breakfast. Everyone has likes and dislikes.
Exactly. You can always say, I had toast, I drank tea, I made eggs, I skipped breakfast.
I skipped breakfast is a very useful one.
Very useful, especially for busy people.
So after breakfast, what did you do?
I went to yoga.
Ah, yes, that also feels very on brand for you.
Again, I'll take that as a compliment.
Good, because it is.
Yes, I went to yoga and it actually helped a lot. I felt a little tense this morning, and after class, I felt much calmer.
That is one thing I hear again and again about yoga. People always say it helps them feel calm and focused.
It really does. It's not only about stretching, it also slows your mind down.
That sounds useful. My morning was less peaceful.
Oh?
I spent the whole morning cleaning my apartment.
Wow, that is not exactly relaxing.
Not relaxing, no, but satisfying, yes.
That I understand.
I swept the floor, washed dishes, cleaned the kitchen counter, and organized a huge pile of books.
Honestly, organizing books sounds kind of nice.
It was, actually. Washing dishes was the annoying part.
Washing dishes is always the annoying part.
Always.
Did you listen to anything while you were cleaning?
Yes, I listened to a history podcast.
That is such a smart habit.
It helps a lot. Cleaning feels much less boring if I am also listening to something interesting.
I do that too sometimes. If I have to clean or fold laundry, I usually put on music or a podcast.
It makes the time go faster.
Exactly. And that is another nice everyday phrase. It makes the time go faster.
Very natural.
So, after your productive morning, what are your lunch plans?
I'm meeting my sister for lunch.
That sounds nice.
Yeah, we try to meet once in a while and catch up.
Where are you going?
My favorite Mexican restaurant.
Oh, wow, good choice.
I'm very excited. I already know what I want.
Let me guess. Tacos?
Obviously,
Of course.
spicy chicken tacos, chips, and a huge bowl of guacamole.
That sounds amazing.
What about you? What are you doing for lunch?
I'm going to the farmer's market.
Oh, that sounds lovely.
It really does. I want to buy fresh vegetables, maybe some fruit, and definitely a loaf of good bread.
I love farmers markets. They always feel slower and friendlier than supermarkets.
Yes, exactly. And I like walking around, looking at everything and choosing food slowly.
That sounds like a very peaceful lunch break.
I hope so. I think I'll make a big salad later, maybe with spinach, cucumbers, and peppers.
Very healthy.
I try.
You really do live like the calmest person in the world.
That is not true, but thank you.
All right, let's move into the evening. When the day is over, how do you usually relax?
In the evening, I usually want something quiet. I like making dinner, putting on music, and slowing down a little.
Cooking relaxes you, right?
Yes, it really does.
That is so interesting to me because cooking does not relax me at all.
Really?
No, cooking makes me feel like I suddenly have 10 jobs. Chop this, stir that, don't burn this, wash that pan.
Okay, that is fair.
For me, relaxing means sitting on the sofa and watching a movie.
What kind of movies?
Action movies, usually.
Ah, yes, loud music, car chases, people running, things exploding.
Exactly.
That sounds stressful, not relaxing.
See, that is the strange thing. For me, it is relaxing because it is exciting in a very simple way. I do not have to think too much.
Interesting. I'm the opposite. I like mystery films.
That fits you.
Why?
Because mystery films are quiet, clever, and full of clues.
All right, that is true.
You like solving things.
I do. I love trying to guess the ending before the movie finishes.
Are you usually right?
Sometimes.
That means no.
That means not always.
Fair enough.
What about music? Do you listen to music much in the evening?
Yes, but my music taste is actually much softer than my movie taste.
Really?
Yes, I like acoustic guitar music in the evening.
Oh, wow. That is a very different vibe.
It is. Quiet guitar music helps me slow down.
I like upbeat jazz.
That also makes sense.
Does it?
Yes, jazz feels lively, playful, and a little spontaneous.
I like that description. And yes, sometimes I really do dance in the kitchen while I'm cooking.
Honestly, that sounds fun.
It is fun.
Okay, let's talk about pets because I know you have one.
I do. I have a golden retriever named Barnaby.
Great name.
Thank you. He is huge, very friendly, and full of energy.
So he's not one of those calm, quiet dogs.
Absolutely not. He wants to play all the time.
Tennis balls?
Yes, he's obsessed with tennis balls.
I love that. I do not have a pet right now, but I'd really like one in the future.
What kind?
A cat.
I knew it!
Really?
Yes, you have cat energy.
I'm not sure how I feel about that.
I mean it kindly. You want a quiet, lazy little companion.
That is true. I would love a big orange rescue cat.
A rescue cat is such a sweet idea.
I think so too. I just want a fluffy little friend sitting next to me while I work.
That sounds very cozy, actually.
Speaking of people and animals we care about, do you have siblings?
Yes, I have one younger brother.
Are you close?
We are. He's at university now, so he's busy, but we still talk a lot.
What is he studying?
Computer science.
Ah, impressive.
Yes, he is definitely the technology person in the family.
I have an older sister.
And you said you were meeting her for lunch today, right?
Exactly. We try to stay in touch and make time for each other.
That is nice. Family can be such an easy topic in English, too.
Yes, and a very real one. Brother, sister, older, younger, close, talk often, stay in touch, all very useful expressions.
Exactly.
All right, let's end with something fun. I have a question for you.
Okay, I'm ready.
If you could travel anywhere in the world tomorrow, where would you go?
Oh, wow. Big question.
Very big question.
I think I would choose Iceland.
Nice choice. Why Iceland?
Because it looks dramatic and beautiful. Waterfalls, black beaches, volcanoes, hot springs. It all feels almost unreal.
That does sound amazing.
And I would love to see the Northern Lights.
Ah, yes, that would be incredible.
What about you?
Peru.
Oh, that is a great answer too.
I would love to see Machu Picchu and spend time in the mountains.
That sounds like a real adventure.
It does. And honestly, I also want to go for the food.
Very fair.
I always want to go for the food.
That is one of the most human reasons to travel.
I agree.
Well, I think this was a really nice conversation.
Me too. And I like it because it shows something important.
What is that?
Real English conversations are often very simple.
Yes, you do not need huge vocabulary to have a good conversation.
You just need simple questions, real interest, and clear answers.
Exactly.
Weather, food, daily routine, movies, pets, family, travel, these are all normal topics people talk about all the time.
And that is why they're so useful for learners.
Now it's your turn.
Yes, tell us in the comments, what did you have for breakfast today?
Or tell us your dream travel destination.
Even 1 or 2 sentences is great practice.
We'd love to read your answers.
And if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to Daily English Loop.
Thanks for spending part of your day with us.
Keep listening.
Keep speaking.
And keep making English part of your real life.
We'll see you next time.
Bye, everyone.